CVB Channel 5, this is a Storm Team 5 weather alert.
You are looking at a live picture in Needham right now. Now, the crews are keeping the roads fairly well open, but I will tell you, the traffic is horrendous out there right now. They're figuring it takes anywhere between 3 and 4 times the normal amount of time to get in. Just for an example, I drove in from the coast. It usually takes me about 50 minutes. It took over 2 hours to get here. So I would suggest don't go out on the roadways. It's because of the fellow travelers that you're having most of the problem that we're seeing right now. And a big crash in Connecticut has shut down I-91 in Middletown in both directions. Connecticut State Police say at least 20 vehicles involved, including 3 tractor trailers. That's the way these roads are. They're very slippery out there right now. There were fortunately no serious injuries out of that. That is in Connecticut, but we are seeing similar scenes all across the area because right now we have a winter storm warning into effect along coastal areas down through the Cape and the Islands. It's a blizzard warning, goes all the way until early tomorrow morning. And then inland, a winter weather advisory because this is the area we'll be looking at less snow falling, but still incredible amounts of snow. So look at the bands that you can see showing up on radar. Look at that heavy band right there. You thought you've had some heavy snow. Now this heavy stuff is really starting to lift its way northward. Around the city, we're seeing a good little band that's coming through, but the heaviest is really from Plymouth over towards Taunton and then right along the Cape Cod Canal as well. This is lifting its way northward. Another little area here towards Worcester that's also lifting its way northward. And remember, out here it is much colder, so this snow is a lot fluffier than what it is at the coast. So it's actually piling up a lot faster out there. So keep this in mind. This all still has to lift its way up. And as this storm system continues to intensify offshore, we're going to get the winds picking up as well. How much snow are we talking about here? Well, down through the South Shore, the Cape and the Islands, because of that ocean enhancement, 12 to 18 inches of snow. Wouldn't be surprised if there's a total even higher than that. Boston, right around 6 to 10 inches of snow should be falling. Lesser amounts inland, but as I mentioned, it is going to be a fluffier snow. All right, how long is this going to last? Here's the map at 5 o'clock. Pretty much looks exactly like what you're looking at right now. We'll advance it to 7 o'clock. Starting to see a little breakup out here to the west, but still intense snow down along the south coast. By 9 o'clock, still snowing very heavily in the eastern part of the state, but letting up in the western part of the state. Then we head towards 11 o'clock, see how it's starting to compress its way offshore. And after midnight, we actually are starting to push this thing offshore and move it completely out of here. Tomorrow, lots of sunshine to be talking about, but keep in mind that wind is going to be strong out there, and because of that wind, we're going to be seeing some blizzard-like conditions along the coast, so be cautious about that. And we'll keep you up to date every half hour all afternoon. The updates will continue through NFL football and extended Storm Team 5 coverage after the game through 11:30 tonight.